So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to turn this Agenda 52 binder into a Happy Planner mini cover. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, then stay tuned. This is actually my first time attempting to do this. I've watched several videos. I feel like each one kind of have the same kind of concept. I'm trying to get these, let me take this off, these rings out, because in order for this to work, the rings have to come out. But I've seen this done a couple of different ways. Some cut this down the middle and take, because there's this metal piece that's in here so that you can get the metal things that are holding these like little, I don't know what you call these. They're like little buttons or whatever, nails, screws, whatever, that hold the rings in place. So I've seen people cut this part, this bottom part of the binder to get that metal piece out. I've seen people cut the interior or the inside of the binder to get the metal piece out once they took these out. So I'm, like I said in the last video, I'm going to try my hardest not to cut the stitching, because even though it's not going to be noticeable to anybody else, I'll still notice it and it's going to bother me. So if I damage the inside, I'm fine with that, because like I said, I can put some washi tape over it or stickers, whatever, I can cover it up. But I'm gonna try my hardest not to cut through the stitching to get these out. In the videos that I watched, some items that you're gonna need to get this out of here, you're gonna need some needle nose pliers, you're gonna need some wire cutters, the small ones. I currently do not have any wire cutters. I'm gonna leave this cardboard in here because I have a feeling with this rust and all that stuff on here, it's gonna mess up the pretty, you know, print that's on this side of there. So pray for me. I'm just hoping that I can just get this out with as little damage as possible. So right here, I am taking the needle nose pliers and I'm curling up each end of the binder rings. And that's just so that I can get to the metal piece that's holding them in place. And so what I'm doing is I'm manipulating the metal back and forth. It's really thin and easy to bend. And I'm taking the needle nose pliers and trying to squeeze and manipulate that metal that's holding them in place so that the binder rings can pop out easily and so that I don't have a lot of damage inside the binder itself. And so I'm just going back and forth and showing you the spot where I need to have it popped out, and it eventually pops out. And there you go. Pop that piece out, but we're still gonna have to get this metal piece out. And so I'm gonna do that to this side. So right here, I'm just doing the exact same thing that I did to the other side. It was a little bit more difficult because it didn't have that stability and it kept moving all over the place. But I'm just trying to manipulate that metal bar so that it can pop out. And there you have it. It's like a mangled mess. And yet we still have these to take out. So now the mission is to try to get the metal bar that was actually holding the binder rings inside of the binder itself. There's actually this long metal bar that's in the inside that you have to remove. So this is that metal piece I was talking to you about, or telling you about. This is what holds this into place underneath it. So I managed to get everything out without having to cut the stitching, and I'm just fixing the holes. I just want to thank you guys for watching the video, and just stay tuned for the next one. Bye.